So when you're working these Inchikus, I find the best thing, quarter turn winds of the handle like this. So you get it up off the bottom, 10 metres or so if we're in 30, so about a third of the way, sometimes a half of how much you're winding it up. You can see I'm just winding slowly, so nothing's happened, so drop back down again. And as I drop down, I'm just using my thumb to pause the lure as it sinks. And that way, it's not just going down like a flying torpedo. It's going down at a rate that those pauses are what gets those fish excited, I've got to say. And here we go again, a bit more winding. And there we go, we're in. So you can see what I'm doing there by working that Inchiku lure up off the bottom like that. It's actually causing movement in it, and that in turn gets the fish excited enough to chase it, and they'll come up and basically attack it and hook up. Want more information, how-tos and articles on fishing, kayaking and more? Then head on over to the NZ Kayak Fishing Patreon channel and sign up for exclusive content only available through this channel. Oh, what a ripper of a fish it was!